This is called the Crab Conundrum puzzle. It consists of two bars which are identical and a ring, and the idea is to separate the bars from the ring, and you'll find that if you fiddle with this, the bars are connected together with some steel pins. So we'll take a look at that construction. There's a cylinder which is embedded inside each of the bars, and the cylinder can go up and down in this channel. It's 6 millimeters in diameter, 5 millimeters high. And then there's a pin that can sit on top of it, and it's 35 millimeters in length. Now, when the bar is that way round, this bar will sit on top. But if you turn it upside down, this will block the pin, and the pin will go out and it'll grab its counterpart so that you can't be separated. So that's the internal mechanisms, and now we'll take a look at the puzzle. And you can see there's a ring here. These do not easily separate. And the idea is to spin, use that ring with the longer, there's a longer sort of pin on the top of the ring that you can spin it. And what that does is that gets the pins on the blue, the one that's facing you with the writing, gets all those pins to the outside. The cylinder sits down below and the pins go out. Then you must turn it over that way. And now we want to get the pins of the red bar to the outside. And so now all the pins are actually gone and you can remove it. So when that's upright, the cylinder's at the bottom, the pins will retract inside. When they're that way, upside down, the cylinder can only go so far down and it blocks the pins from going back. So as you spin it, you see those pins will go in and retract. To put it together, make sure all the pins are back. And then you tilt it up and down both ways, and those pins have now locked each other very tightly.